After pistil, next we have the megasporangium. So next we have the megasporangium, and megasporangium can also be called as the ovule. So it can also be called as the ovule. So as we have discussed कि जो female reproductive part है, that can be made up of one or more pistils. So here we can draw the diagram of the pistil that consists of ovary, then there is a style, and above that we have the stigma. Okay, so this is the structure of the pistil that consists the gynoecium. Now what is the megasporangium? Okay. Now at the base of the pistil, base of the pistil, we have the ovary, and जो ovary है, inside the ovary we have the ovule. Inside ovary is ovarian cavity, and ovarian cavity can be called as locule. ठीक है, so inside the ovary is the ovarian cavity, and this ovarian cavity can be called as locule. And now inside this locule, inside this ovarian cavity is placenta. ठीक है, जो placenta है that is present inside locule. जो placenta है that can be present like this. ठीक है, it can be present like this, or it can be present like this, or another way it can also be present like this. ठीक है. About the different type of the placenta we have already discussed in the +1. ठीक है, अपने +1 में different type of placentation के बारे में already पढ़ा है. ठीक है, so you can go back there and look at those different type of placentations. ठीक है, so inside the ovary we have the ovarian cavity, and inside the ovarian cavity is the placenta. ठीक है, we are drawing the placenta like this. ठीक है, or we can draw it like so. This is the placenta. ठीक है, inside the ovary is ovarian cavity or locule, and inside the locule is placenta, and on these placenta arises the ovule. जो ये placenta है इस पे जो ovules है वो arise होंगे. ठीक है, so for example this is a ovule, this is a ovule, this is a ovule, this is a ovule, this is a ovule. So from the placenta arises the ovule or megasporangium. ठीक है, so now जो ovules हैं, ठीक है, इन्हें ovary there can be one ovule or there can be the more number of ovules. So the ovary may have one or more ovules. Okay, so inside the ovary we have the ovarian cavity that is called the locule. This blue cavity is the ovarian cavity. Then in the locule there is a placenta, and on the placenta जो ovules हैं they will arise on the placenta, and there can be one ovule or more than one ovules in a ovary. So After this we will discuss the structure of the ovule in detail. ठीक है, this is the ovule. We will discuss the structure of this ovule in detail. Okay. Before starting the structure of the ovule, we will do some examples where there is only one ovule in the ovary and there are multiple number of ovules in an ovary. So example of ovary with one ovule is wheat, then we have the paddy, and then we have the mango. These are the ovaries that have only one ovule, and then we have the ovary with multiple ovules or more than one ovules. The example is papaya, then there is orchids. Okay, then so these are the examples of the ovaries with one ovule and the multiple ovules. And now we will start with the structure of the ovule. Okay, so next topic is the structure of ovule or megaspongium. ठीक है, so here we have said कि जो ovules हैं they are attached on the placenta, or in other words they arise from the placenta. So now the structure that attaches the ovules, or by the means of which the ovules are attached on the placenta, is called the funicle. Okay, so जो ovule है, ovule attaches to the placenta by means of stalk called funicle. ठीक है, so here we will draw the structure of the funicle. ठीक है, पहले हम funicle का structure draw कर लेंगे and then we will discuss its parts one by one. So this is the ovule and we will draw it like ठीक है. So this is the structure of the ovule, and okay, and the structure that is called the funicle. This is the funicle. Okay, this is the funicle through which the ovule, the whole ovule is attached to the placenta. ठीक है, and now the part or the region at which the funicle and the whole body of the ovule, this is the full body of the ovule, the region where the funicle and the whole body of the ovule joins is called the hilum. So this is the whole body of the ovule and this is the funicle, and this region here is called the hilum. ठीक है, so the funicle and body of ovule join each other in region called hilum. we can call कि जो हाइलम है, the hilum is junction between funicle and ovule or body of ovule, ठीक है. So the stalk like structure or the stalk through which the body of the ovule is attached to the placenta is called the funicle, and the region where the funicle and the body of the ovule joins, that is called the hilum, ठीक है. And now the next we have the integuments, ठीक है. The protective coverings, there are one or more protective coverings that are covering the ovule, and these protective coverings are called the integuments. So these structures here, these coverings here are called the, this is the body of the ovule and these are the integuments, ठीक है. So there are the one or more, one or two protective coverings or layers around ovule are called integuments, ठीक है. एंड नाउ वी कैन सी हियर के जो इंटेगुमेंट्स हैं, these are the इंटेगुमेंट्स, ठीक है. these इंटेगुमेंट्स आर एनसर्कलिंग द होल ovule, ठीक है. सो the इंटेगुमेंट्स encircle whole ovule, ठीक है. बट वी कैन सी हियर के जो इंटेगुमेंट्स हैं, दे आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन दिस पोर्शन, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज द टिप ऑफ द ओव्यूल, ठीक है. सो एक्सेप्ट टिप, एंड दिस स्मॉल ओपनिंग एट द टिप ऑफ द ओव्यूल इज कॉल्ड द माइक्रोपाइल, ठीक है. सो small opening where integuments are not present is called micropyle, so small opening at tip where integuments are not present is called the micropyle, and this end of the ovule is called the micropyle pore, ठीक है. So this is the micropyle or micropyle pore. This is the micropyle pore, ठीक है. So or we can call, this is the opening is called the micropyle, and it is called the micropyle pole, or it can also be called as the micropyle end. And now these are the integuments, ठीक है. and these integuments encircle whole ovule, ठीक है. and now this is the micropyle end, and opposite to the micropyle end is the chalaza, ठीक है. So opposite to micropyle is chalaza, and this pole is called the chalazal pole, ठीक है. So this it is called chalazal pole, okay. and now inside the integuments, ठीक है, inside the integuments this portion is called the nucellus, ठीक है. So inside the integuments inside integuments the mass is called nucellus. एंड जो सेल्स हैं न्यूसेलस के, ठीक है, जो न्यूसेलस के सेल्स हैं दे आर अबंडेंट विद द रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल, ठीक है. सो दे हैव cells have abundant reserve food material, ठीक है. so they have abundant food material, and inside the nucellus is the embryo sac, ठीक है. so this is the nucellus, and inside the nucellus we have the embryo sac. This is the embryo sac, and embryo sac is also called the female gametophyte. It's called the female gametophyte, ठीक है. so inside nucellus is embryo sac, ठीक है. and now how the embryo sac is formed and where is it is actually present in the nucellus, and how the embryo sac is formed in the nucellus, that we will discuss later in this topic, ठीक है. so to compile this up, first we have discussed the megasuperangium, ठीक है, that is present inside the locule, that is the cavity or the ovarian cavity. In that placenta is present, and from the placenta arises the ovule, ठीक है. next we have the structure of the ovule or the megasuperangium, ठीक है. जो ovule है that is attached on the placenta with the help of stalk called the funicle, and funicle joins with the ovule, body of the ovule, at a portion called the hilum, that is also called the junction between the funicle and the body of the ovule. And now there are the one or two coverings around the ovule, and these coverings are called the integuments, and inside the integuments now these integuments cover whole the ovule, सारे ovule को cover करेंगे integuments, पर टिप पर जो ovules हैं वो जो टिप है ovule का वहां पर integuments present नहीं होंगे, ठीक है. and that small hole where the integuments are not present, that is called the micropyle, and the end where the micropyle is located is called the micropyle pole, ठीक है. now opposite to the micropyle pole is the chalaza, ठीक है, and this end is called the chalaza pole. so please remember that this is the tip of the ovule and this is the basal part, ठीक है. so यहाँ पर हम लिख भी देते हैं कि जो chalaza है that represents basal part of ovule, and जो micropyle है that represent the tip, ठीक है. now inside the integuments we have the nucellus, and the cells of the nucellus are abundant with the reserve food material, and inside the nucellus is the embryo sac, that is the female gametophyte.